Struggling with weak Wi-Fi? Let's fix that! Today, I'll show you how to use a Wi-Fi extender to boost your signal and eliminate dead zones. Let's get started. A Wi-Fi extender amplifies your existing Wi-Fi signal and rebroadcasts it to areas with weak coverage. It's an easy fix for slow internet in certain spots. Here's how to set it up. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Open a browser, go to the setup page, and follow the instructions. Move the extender to a spot halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Test the connection. Done. That's it. Now you can enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage everywhere. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.